Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to recover deleted messages in Telegram on iPhone. So let's dive right in. To check your iCloud backup settings, open the Settings app on your iPhone and tap on your name at the top. This will display your Apple ID and iCloud settings. Select iCloud to see a list of features and apps that back up to iCloud. Look for iCloud Backup and make sure it's switched on. Here, you can also see if Telegram is included in the list of apps backed up to iCloud. Even more importantly, check the date and time of the last backup. Ideally, you want to have a backup created before you deleted the Telegram messages you're trying to recover. If you don't see Telegram listed or the last backup was made a long time ago, then this method unfortunately won't work for you. This will erase everything on your phone, so be sure to back up anything else you don't want to lose before proceeding. In Settings, navigate to General and then Reset. Choose Erase All Content and Settings. This will take your iPhone back to factory settings. During setup, you'll be presented with options to restore from a backup. Choose Restore from iCloud Backup and select the relevant backup that includes your Telegram messages. And there you have it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.